Quite a hot topic at the moment is home improvements. 3 out of every 5 inquiries we're getting at the moment is from customers wanting to refinance their loan, borrow against their equity for home improvements. Rather than me trying to tell you how to do this best and how to use the best of your money or your budget, I've got one of my very good friends here, Bronwyn from Bronz Designs Consultancy, to give her top tips about home renovations and how to get the best from your money.
I have a lot of clients that will go and already have purchased their tiles and they're renovating their bathroom and they're like, I love this tile, I have to have it. Great. But have you ordered enough? And it's not until they might go, okay, well, I've got 2 square meters here and they've done their square meterage of their wall and their floor, but they've not allowed for cuts. That's it. You've got a niche there. We're going to require a few more there. It's a mosaic. So, we need to be careful with what we're ordering there too.
Interesting.
Or they might apply a mosaic tile, for example, to an external corner and it's a glass mosaic and you can't miter that or you can't, do you know? So there's little nuances depending on the actual selection itself. And this just isn't for bathrooms. This is for basically everything you choose. There will be a consideration that needs to be taken into consideration. Obviously, consideration. there always is got to be a consideration taken into account from a construction perspective. And so I see my role as being able to say to the client, great, if we do this, this is what we need to consider. And if we do this, this is what it will look like. And then ultimately they get to choose as their home.
I've been looking for it in the